Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the AnnTane Power Strip Tower, a device that promises to declutter your desk and power all your gadgets with ease. This Power Strip Tower boasts a whopping 12 AC outlets, spaced generously to accommodate those bulky adapters, plus a total of 5 USB ports, including 3 USB-A and 2 USB-C. That's enough to charge 17 devices simultaneously. The 10-foot extension cord is a welcome addition, offering flexibility in placement, especially if your wall outlet is awkwardly located. It supports a wide voltage range of 110V to 250V, making it suitable for international travel with the appropriate adapter, and it's rated for 1625 W10A. One of the standout features is the integrated night light. It's touch-controlled with 3 brightness levels, adjustable by a long press. This is a thoughtful touch for bedside use or in a dimly lit office. The tower itself is compact, measuring only 5.7 by 3.5 by 3.5 inches, so it won't hog your precious desk space. The inclusion of a USB-C port is a definite plus, allowing for faster charging of compatible devices like iPhones and newer Android phones. The USB ports collectively deliver 5V 3.4A, with a maximum of 3.0A per USB-A port and the same for the USB-C port. Safety is paramount, and the AnnTane Power Strip Tower doesn't disappoint. It features surge protection with a rating of 1800 joules, along with overload, short circuit, and overcurrent protection. In the event of a power surge or overload, the switch will automatically cut off the power to safeguard your valuable electronics. AnnTane also offers a 12-month replacement warranty, providing peace of mind. If you encounter any issues, they promise to respond within 12 hours and offer a solution. In conclusion, the AnnTane Power Strip Tower appears to be a well-designed and feature-rich solution for managing power in your home, office, or dorm room. The combination of ample outlets, USB ports, a night light, and robust safety features makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.